A servo motor is a small device that has an output shaft. This shaft can be positioned to specific angular positions by sending the servo a coded signal. Hello dear friends and followers, today I will tell you what servo is and how to use it. Here is how servo look like. The servo, which I am using here, is basic servo. There are many other heavy-duty servo available in market. Here are servo pins. This pin is for signal. Middle one is for plus 5 volt. And last one is for ground. Here is the diagram for better understanding. You can perform a basic task to get friendly with your servo. First, connect jumper wire to your servo. Then connect them to Arduino. Connect servo signal pin to pin 3 of Arduino. Now just upload the code to Arduino. Code will be given in description. After uploading code, you can see servo start rotating. It is the simple project with servo. In my next video I will tell you how you can control servo with Bluetooth or HC05 module. Stay tuned for that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.